Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a salad dish. First, select your favorite greens, perhaps a vibrant mix of spinach and arugula, ensuring they are fresh and free from blemishes. Next, meticulously wash and dry all your chosen vegetables. A salad spinner works wonders for this step, preventing a watery dressing. Finally, prepare your workspace by gathering a large mixing bowl, a sturdy cutting board, and a sharp chef's knife for efficient chopping. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Dice your chosen vegetables like cucumbers, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes into uniform, bite-sized pieces for a pleasant texture in every forkful. Think about adding a protein boost. Grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or a handful of black beans can make your salad a complete meal. Don't forget healthy fats. A quarter of an avocado or a tablespoon of toasted walnuts adds richness and satiety. The dressing is key to a great salad. A simple vinaigrette often starts with 3 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar, like balsamic or apple cider. Whisk these together with a pinch of salt, a grind of black pepper, and perhaps a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for emulsification. Taste and adjust the balance of flavors, adding a touch of honey or maple syrup if you prefer a sweeter note. Remember to dress your salad right before serving to keep those greens crisp and vibrant. The beauty of salad is its endless customization. Feel free to experiment with various cheeses like crumbled feta or shaved parmesan, or add a burst of sweetness with berries or sliced apples. For extra crunch, try croutons, toasted seeds, or crispy fried onions. If you have leftovers, store the dressing and salad components separately to maintain their texture and flavor for up to 2 days. For more great tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which can help keep your kitchen spotless, look for the link and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.